let's dive into a super cool trend indicator called the Triple Smooth Signals by Algo Alpha, my favorite author. Want to add it to your chart? Just hop onto TradingView. If you don't have an account yet, there's a link down in the description. Pull up the 5-minute Euro USD chart and hit the indicators button. Then search for Triple Smooth Signals and pick the one by, of course, Algo Alpha. This thing's awesome because it uses triple smoothing on your data to cut through all market noise, letting you zero in on the big price moves. It's a game changer for traders looking to level up their technical analysis and get a real edge in the markets. Stick around as we break down how it works. Now, let's talk about the components of this indicator. You'll notice there's a trend ribbon on your chart that changes color between yellow and red to indicate bullish or bearish momentum. There's also a gradient effect built into these colors that shows the strength of the trend in real time. For a bullish trend, you might see the ribbon start off more muted, maybe a darker orange or red, and then gradually shift all the way to super bright yellow when momentum really picks up. In a bearish trend, it's the opposite. It starts off muted and then shifts to a brighter, more intense red as the downtrend strengthens. You'll also see up and down arrows that pop up during transitions between bullish and bearish trends, clearly marking when the market is changing direction. What makes this indicator really cool is how it works behind the scenes. The Triple Smooth Signals indicator enhances trend detection by applying a triple smoothing process to your selected data source using the moving average type of your choice. The moving average can be selected right in the settings, whether you prefer EMA, SMA, RMA, or WMA, and this triple smoothing effectively reduces short-term fluctuations and market noise, revealing the underlying trend with a greater clarity. After this triple smoothing is done, the indicator calculates a signal line by smoothing the triple smooth moving average further with another moving average. Then it calculates the normalized distance between the triple smooth moving average and this signal line over a specific period. This normalized value is what generates the dynamic color gradients and fills on your chart, giving you immediate visual insights into both the strength and the direction of the current trend. If you head into the Settings tab, you'll see a lot of customizable options. There's the main smoothing length, which controls how sensitive the triple smoothing calculations are, essentially how quickly the indicator responds to changes in price. Then there's the signal length, which affects how sensitive the signal line is. You also get to choose the data source you want to use, like the close price, and select the moving average type for both the triple smoothing process and the signal line calculation. Down in the Style section, you can further tweak the look of your indicator by adjusting colors or toggling various visual elements on or off. For now, I'm just going to stick with the default settings and click OK. Next, we're going to talk about how we can use this indicator to trade. One of the simplest methods for trading with the default settings is to treat these up and down arrows as buy and sell signals because they clearly indicate short-term trend shifts in the market. To filter these signals and avoid taking every single one, you could add something like a 200 EMA to your chart. If the price is trading above the 200 EMA, that suggests a bullish environment, so you can focus on the yellow arrows for potential buy entries. You'd also want to see some confluence, like a break and retest of a resistance turn support level to confirm your entry. For example, here we had a buy signal that happened just after a break and the retest of this resistance level. Looking at the trend of the market, you can see it was bullish because the price was trading above the 200 EMA. If you were to take this long position with your stop loss under the most recent swing low, the take profit could be set at 1.5 times the risk and was profitable. But if you're looking for a way to make more than that, I mean 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, make sure to watch the video until the end because I've got your treat up my sleeve. For a short position, it's going to be the opposite. You identify a sell signal that was created just after a break and retest of a support level. You also want to make sure that the price is trading under the 200 EMA to confirm a bearish trend. Take a short position here with your stop loss above the most recent swing high, set the take profit at 1.5 times the risk, and it was profitable. Another way to use this indicator is to identify longer-term trends by adjusting the smoothing length to higher numbers. For example, you could change the main moving average length to 21 and increase the signal length accordingly. With these higher settings, the trend ribbon becomes less sensitive to minor price moves, allowing you to focus on the overall market direction. In this setup, whenever you see the price consistently trading above the trend ribbon, that indicates a more reliable bullish trend. If it's consistently trading below, that's a sign of a sustained bearish trend. While you can still use the up and down arrows for entries or exits, keep in mind that they'll appear less frequently because the indicator is filtering out more noise at these higher settings. In summary, the triple smooth signals indicator by Algo Alpha is a powerful tool for detecting trend direction and market momentum with greater accuracy. It uses a triple smoothing process to filter out short-term noise, calculates a refined signal line, and then plots dynamic color gradients, arrows, and fills that provide you with immediate insights into the market strength and direction. You can use the default settings for quick, shorter-term trading or customize the smoothing length and moving average types to suit your own strategy for a more long-term perspective. Just remember, this video is not financial advice and you should always add your own price action analysis, fundamental research, or additional confluence factors before making any trading decisions. And to do that, as I promised you earlier, not only you can find tons of trading strategies, which all of them are proven to work perfectly. You can just check the comment sections underneath any random video on my channel. You're gonna love it how people are enjoying them, and you're gonna be surprised though. And if you want to access them, just check the recommended playlist on your screen. But if you want to push your profit factor to the limit, make sure to check the other recommended video on your screen, which is my own twist on Fibonacci retracement levels. And believe me, it's combined with price action, and you're gonna combine it with any trading strategy and it works like a charm. And also, if you're looking for a way to make any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts so it does job for you while you're not around, make sure to check the other recommended videos on your screen. If you found value in this video, go ahead and leave a like, or even better, subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.